What's up, YouTube? Mr.Chapman Cuts here, back again with another tutorial for you. This time we're going to do something a little bit different though. We're going to do one haircut using two different clippers. Sometimes I feel like we get caught up in all these tools, new this, brand new that. But you can do the same thing with any clipper. So we're going to use the Andis Master on one side, Wahl Senior on the other side. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the cut. Let's get it. Alright, today we're going to be giving them an undercut ball fade. And to get that going, we're going to go ahead and put that ball line in. Remove all that extra hair that we don't need. Just clean that canvas up. Really make that bald fade pop. Go ahead and put that shaver down there, smooth everything all the way out to the skin. So for this side of the head, we'll be using the Masters. This first one here has got the fade blade on it. Brings everything down a little bit closer. Goes from like a 3-0 to a 5-0. And after that, we'll follow it up with the regular Masters with the taper blade on it. Bring out the regular Masters, the normal blade on it. Bring that guideline up about an inch and just work through your levers. Go over everything as many times as you need to just to make sure that blend comes out super smooth. This Master's a real powerful clipper and it blends super smooth. It just takes some getting used to, but I feel like it's the easier out of the two to work with because it has the notches on the side that show you exactly where you're at in the fade. That 2-guard on there, bring it all the way up, scooping outward as you get towards the top. I use the same steps as always when I got a guard on. Do it open, halfway, and then closed. And here, put that 1.5 on, same steps as before. Open, half, closed. I'll put on that one guard, making sure you stay under the previous guideline. But if you do end up either getting right on it or going up a little bit, you don't gotta panic. Go back with the previous guard you used before and just work it over until you get right back where you need to be. Lastly, put on that 0, and then you're finished with that. And then from there, you just go back through your steps and finesse the fade and get it how you want it. Anytime I'm working with straighter hair, I like to bring out the shearing comb, just give it that extra little detail. Just blend in some of the hairs that you wouldn't necessarily be able to hit with a clipper as smooth as you could with this. Alright, now we're going to get to the Wahl senior side of the fade. This clipper in hand feels better than the Masters, although I do believe the Masters, in my opinion, gives a different kind of blend. The senior definitely feels better in hand. Yeah, you gotta excuse my shoulder. Apparently I wasn't paying attention to where I was standing, but it's the same process as before. You're gonna start out open, work your way through the lever till you get down to closed, and that bald line should be pretty much gone. Then from there, just gonna hit those same guards as with the Andis series. Alright, number 2 on here, all the way up, scooping outward as we get up towards the top. Same as before. I do notice with this Wahl clipper, I feel like you can cut a lot smoother, faster, but it might just be in my head. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you guys feel the same way. Let me know if you don't. We're gonna bring that 1.5 in there, staying right under the previous guideline. When you get into these smaller guards, this is where I feel like these two clipper systems differ. The Wahl guards are more rounded off at the edges, where the Andis guards are sharper, I guess, more pointy. So I feel like they scoop the hair better, comb through it, and give it an easier cut. Or sometimes these Wahl guards kind of just glide over hair and won't really get it smooth. and that half guard, which would be the 0 equivalent on Andis. And then you finish the steps with the Wahl system. And then just like before, go through, finesse the fade and see what you don't like, pick it out and make it right. Take your time, really look at it and see what it is you don't like. Turn and look towards the mirror, because the mirror ain't never gonna lie to you. Just pick and flick. Here I'm going to go ahead and knock down the hair on this front lining. Make it a little bit shorter. Help yourself out, get it easier to get that line crispy. And using my cordless detailers, I'm going to go ahead and start this lining in the center. And I work from the middle over to one side and then from the middle to the other. Just to try to keep things symmetrical and not end up slanting my man. Hit them with a little topic just to make everything extra crispy. Yeah, I know it doesn't last for a long time. A lot of barbers don't like it. I don't really care. My client thinks it looks good. He was sharp, smiled when he left. Good enough for me. I'm going to follow up, line it up one more time, get rid of that excess enhancement, get them crispy and get them out the door. Final look. Half Wahl, half Andis. Jump in them comments. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep these videos coming.